So we got a fairly shallow draft outboard motor old boat. Looks like some fiberglass construction there. And some wood trim over here. Wood in the back where the outboard motor was. And of course the usual junk in it because it's been here forever. Sides have been painted over 15 times. Can't tell what it was or whose it was. And that's ticking off the state of Texas. Official notice. By Texas law, this son of a gun shouldn't be here. We're making every effort to find out whose it is. And you can request a hearing about it, but we'd like it if you'd move it. I hate to tell you boys, but I'm pretty sure nobody's coming back for this one.